Hello everybody, it's shazizz here. I got some little cool anomaly I wanted to share with you. So what you see down here is I got two negative ion generators. No, not for any particular purpose. And I got one 9-volt battery running them. Probably could do this with one negative ion generator. And what I have is that static you hear right there is coming from this little AM radio. It's on the AM band in between stations. I don't even think that thing will even pick up radio stations anymore. All the frequency tests I've been messing with. Anyway, what you see right here is the negative ion generators running down into the little shot glass with water in it. And off of the ground side, I've got sort of like a spark gap. It's not touching the water, but it's close to the water. And then I've got an aluminum piece of tape stuck to the bottom of the shot glass going to the ground side of the deal. Okay, so what I want to show you is, look at this right here. If you can see that water moving in there. That's wood. I got an old, looks like a Saturn key. I got a alligator clip. Now, watch this. I got a finger. Yeah, I got Morse Code. Let's see water. Can you hear that coming over that radio? With a stick. Anybody know Morse Code? So, really nifty, pretty cool little deal there, wouldn't you think? Give me your thoughts down in the comment section. Also, keep an eye out for these nifty gizmos. Alright, well, I hope you found that interesting. And so with that said, let's see, maybe get a real good one there. Nope. Alrighty then. Stay tuned. That's some more mad science for you. We'll talk about this more later. Leave some comments in there and let me know if you're interested in what's going on here. Peace and love, everybody. Stay tuned.